they block me because zones are crazy, bro. Zones are one of the greatest strategy I ever seen in the market. They should sue me for saying that, but zones, Chava zone is the best than everything. Zone because they know that zones, they don't, bro, like zones is something that the market once touched and made a bigger movement. When it comes back again, it will touch and make a bigger movement again, bigger and better. So those are zones. Check this thing, how your USDT is buying, like, yo, bro, like, shit, nigga. Money straight. So one thing about us, sometimes we do fund one account and trade on it. Like, can fund like 200,000, trade, and the next thing we pay each other. So that's something that we've been doing for like almost a year, and it's working. But I'm not trading that account now, yo. My psychology is good for my account, but we do that. So you just go there, you trade until we see like a good cash. Then we pay. We used to do it like for monthly amounts, but we realized that nah, bro, like everybody can make that cash for himself, so we don't need to do it like that, you know. Remember, guys, we don't have problems the same. Others can have this other problem. Others might want to continue and say, want to make a meter. So get flop it. Come to Cape Town, man, ninja. I was in Cape Town for like 2 times in 1 month, Feb. You just got blocked on a rich market. Can you please buy me electricity? Send me your unit number, so your unit whatever, so you can buy you my nigga. You can't be not having electricity. That's bad. Send out regular electricity, Joe. I know the struggle of not having electricity. It's bad, bro. Like, when it comes to water and electricity, you gotta have that. The rest, it's a bonus. But nigga, you gotta prove that. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, guys. I wanted to transfer. I forgot that I'm in a trade here. The Euro USD trade. I even like forget about currencies, man. I still but I via let's forget about this currency thing, man. You all want to teach people, but you all don't want to answer DMs. I carry on the poster, there's WhatsApp. So contact the WhatsApp and then you're going to be responded on the WhatsApp. This is business. We can't be talking to you on DM. DM is personal things. On a DM, you're going to text and nobody's going to reply you. There's Smart Trade there. Company can text Smart Trade, or you can go to Telegram, text me. There's WhatsApp there. Text on WhatsApp. So now when you start doing whatever you're doing, then it's you there. Don't put me in there. DM, I don't do things on Instagram, man. So fellow text on Instagram. Text like other people. How do other people get me? Through WhatsApp. Business WhatsApp. If you don't want, you can do whatever things, bro. Kali news 100,000. I can hit a meter and I know that I can hit it. They will accuse me and say I'm trading a tester. Doing that, but I don't want drama. The next thing I'll be trending like forever. Be like, hey, ninja, trading a tester, 200,000. How can you risk 100,000? Where should I send my details? DM them. Currency move us slow, because Shabana currency now move us slow, bro. Like it's 0.20, but you gotta go till 0.01. Somebody 2 rand, 1 rand. JD2, yo guys. Hey. Kopano, are you are you from? Where you saying you from, my nigga? I know you, brother. I don't forget people. What's good? What's happening? 500 to 10k. Yeah, ish guys, I think I'm done now. I'm gonna come back around time and work. Understand? So see you guys when you see me. You just have to wake up every day, get into the PC, just look at the PC, analyze whatever you analyze. You don't have to know the direction, just analyze a market, and then at the end of the day, some days it will make sense. So if you don't do that, that's when, you know what I did. I think 2020 I used to go to the market almost every day, even now, and actually I never skipped a day until today. Even if I'm sick, even if I can go to the hospital, unless if I'm in a coma, that's when I won't check. But if like I check the market, even if I don't have no power, no energy, even if I took big losses, consistently checking USDT like this, indices like that. So I did that since 2020. From Jan to December, I was never the same. You understand? So with that 1 year, 6 months of training, understanding the market, looking at those candlesticks, the next year I got it correct, understand? And then I realized that the other years I didn't make it is because this question is disturbing me. I'm coming back for it. It's because I wasn't consistently looking at the market. You see, now I'm looking at the market. I'm gonna rest here on 2 hours, come back again the whole day. But or damparina because of market. The next time I'll check. Because the political market, okay, why is Rolio and Radal hate you all so much? I don't know, my G. I don't know. I think sometimes for me, I feel like it's age, you know. You can never be almost above 20 and start the market at that year and you don't make it immediately. You feel like, how can that boy there with those small 23 years making it, driving 3 cars? So I think it's kind of like that, but it's whoever you want to believe, you know. It's like, if you want to believe God, you can believe God. If you want to believe in Allah, you can believe in Allah. If you want to believe in whatever you believe, you can believe in whatever you believe. But at the end of the day, in the end, that's when you're going to see which direction you're supposed to be heading on, in instant. Even in life, you can believe those 2 niggas, but at the end, you're gonna see yourself with them sitting in the same thing. If you'll be made it, then appreciate them. But if you want be in where we're gonna be, then don't appreciate. I don't think in the next 3 years I'll be driving those cars. I'll be driving Penguin Pan. They're gonna remove all the potholes in Zanin, all the, you see the hump, they're gonna remove. If they don't, I will do it with my own cash. Touch more fast. You won't be so